Stuck in a dead-end job with no escape. I know how it feels to be stuck in a situation with no clear way out. 3 years ago, I was making $0 online, and to be honest, it was a really tough time for me. I had big dreams, but every door I tried to open seemed to be locked. I was working multiple jobs just to make ends meet, and the thought of creating a successful online business seemed like a pipe dream. But then something changed. I stumbled upon an AI tool that would eventually become the key to unlocking my online success. It's crazy to think about, but that one tool has allowed me to create a faceless YouTube channel that now generates over $1,000 per month. And the best part? I did it all without spending a dime on advertising. I know what you're thinking. How is this possible? And I'm about to share my story with you, so you can see if it's something that could work for you too. I'm not going to sugarcoat it though. The journey was tough, and there were many times when I felt like giving up. But I didn't. And that's what I want to share with you today. So let's get started. The first thing I want to talk about is the struggle of creating content. I mean, think about it. Most YouTubers are out there creating content around their personality, their face, their voice. But what if you're not comfortable with that? What if you're like me and you prefer to work behind the scenes? That's where AI comes in. I started using a free AI tool to create videos for my channel, and it was a game changer. I could create high-quality content without ever having to show my face. And the best part? It was free. I didn't have to spend thousands of dollars on equipment or software. I could just focus on creating content that resonated with my audience. Now I know what you're thinking. But isn't AI just for big businesses or tech experts? And my answer is no. AI is for anyone who wants to create online content. It's for the stay-at-home mom who wants to create a YouTube channel, but doesn't have the time or resources to invest in expensive equipment. It's for the entrepreneur who wants to create a successful online business, but doesn't know where to start. It's for anyone who wants to create something online, but doesn't know how to get started. And that's what I want to share with you today. I want to show you how you can use free AI tools to create a successful faceless YouTube channel. So let's dive in. The first tool I want to talk about is called Lumen 5. It's a free AI-powered video creation platform that allows you to create high-quality videos in just a few minutes. I mean, think about it. You can create a video in the time it takes to make a cup of coffee. And the best part? It's free. You don't have to spend a dime to get started. Now I know what you're thinking. But what about the quality? And my answer is it's amazing. The videos you create with Lumen 5 are high quality, engaging, and perfect for YouTube. And the best part? You can customize them to fit your brand. I mean, think about it. You can create a video that looks and feels like $1,000,000 without ever having to spend a dime. And that's just one example. There are many other free AI tools out there that you can use to create a successful faceless YouTube channel. Another tool I want to talk about is called Descript. It's a free AI-powered audio editing platform that allows you to edit and polish your audio in just a few minutes. I mean, think about it. You can create high-quality audio that sounds like it was recorded in a professional studio, without ever having to leave your house. And the best part? It's free. You don't have to spend a dime to get started. Now I know what you're thinking. But what about the time? And my answer is it's worth it. The time you spend creating high-quality content will pay off in the long run. I mean, think about it. If you create high-quality content that resonates with your audience, you'll be able to build a loyal following and generate income from your channel. And that's what it's all about. So let's talk about the money. I know that's what you're really interested in. So here's the thing. Creating a successful faceless YouTube channel takes time and effort. But if you're willing to put in the work, you can generate significant income from your channel. I mean, think about it. If you create high-quality content that resonates with your audience, you can generate income from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. And the best part? It's passive income. You can earn money while you sleep. Now I know what you're thinking. But how much can I really earn? And my answer is it depends. It depends on the niche you're in, the quality of your content, and the size of your audience. But I can tell you that it's possible to earn over $1,000 per month with a faceless YouTube channel. I mean, think about it. If you create high-quality content that resonates with your audience, you can build a loyal following and generate significant income from your channel. And that's what I've done. I've created a faceless YouTube channel that generates over $1,000 per month, and I've done it all using free AI tools. So let's talk about the process. Think about it. Creating a successful faceless YouTube channel takes time and effort. But if you're willing to put in the work, you can achieve significant results. The first step is to choose a niche. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What do you want to create content about? The second step is to create high-quality content. Think about it. You need to create content that resonates with your audience. The third step is to optimize your videos for YouTube. Think about it. You need to use keywords, tags, and descriptions to help your videos rank higher in search results. And the fourth step is to promote your channel. Think about it. You need to get the word out about your channel and attract new viewers. Now I know what you're thinking. But this all sounds like a lot of work. And my answer is, it is. But it's worth it. Think about it. If you create a successful faceless YouTube channel, you can generate significant income and build a loyal following. And that's what it's all about. So let's summarize. Creating a successful faceless YouTube channel takes time and effort, but it's worth it. You can use free AI tools like Lumen 5 and Descript to create high-quality content, and you can generate significant income from your channel. Think about it. If you're willing to put in the work, you can achieve significant results. And that's what I want to leave you with today. I want to leave you with the knowledge that you can create a successful faceless YouTube channel, and you can do it all using free AI tools. So go out there and get started. Create high-quality content, optimize your videos for YouTube, and promote your channel. And most importantly, don't give up. Think about it. Creating a successful faceless YouTube channel takes time and effort, but it's worth it. You can do it, and I believe in you. Thank you so much for watching. If this touched your heart or gave you the push you needed today, please like this video and subscribe to Rise and Narrate. Keep rising, keep moving forward. If you enjoyed this, there is more where that came from. Hit subscribe so you never miss a video. Until next time, this is Rise and Narrate. We'll see you soon.